How to sign out from your FPL account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sign out from your FPL account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Google application and then search for FPL. Or simply you can type Fantasy Premier League. Then after click on the search key and at the top you will see the official website of FPL. Simply click on it, and if you have not logged in with your account details, firstly log in. After that, once you refresh the home page of FPL, at the top you will see your name. Simply click on it, and there you will be directed to the page where you can scroll all the way down and you will see the option of sign out. Simply click on it and then you will be directed to the login page. So that's it. That is how easily you can sign out from your FPL account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.